AI models are the brains behind artificial intelligence, helping machines learn and make decisions. But what exactly is an AI model and how does it work? Let's break it down in the simplest way. An AI model is a trained system that processes data, learns patterns, and makes predictions, just like how humans learn from experience. Instead of following fixed rules, AI models analyze huge amounts of data to recognize trends and improve over time. For example, when Netflix recommends shows based on what you have watched, it's using an AI model that has learned from millions of user preferences. Similarly, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa use AI models to understand and respond to speech. AI models are built using machine learning algorithms and they can be trained in different ways. Supervised learning. The AI learns from labeled data. Example, training a model to recognize cats by showing thousands of cat images. Unsupervised learning. The AI finds patterns on its own without labeled data. Example, grouping similar customer behaviors in marketing. Reinforcement learning. The AI learns through trial and error, improving based on rewards. Example, how AI beats human in chess. AI models power everything from self-driving cars to medical diagnosis tools, making them a key part of modern technology. The better the model, the smarter the AI. Now think about this. Have you ever interacted with an AI model without realizing it? Whether it's Google search, a chatbot, or a recommendation system, AI is everywhere. Tell me in the comments what's the most useful AI tool you use daily.